Hello, my name is Steve Baker. Today I want to show you inside the VeCap CRM system how you can protect your dealership from liability when dealing with the customer and their property. Where you like it or not, no matter what type of service center you are, you assume liability when you accept that customer's vehicle and you are responsible for that piece of property when it's on your dealership. And remember, that is from tip to nose, bumper to bumper, however you want to describe it. The entire vehicle is exposed to accusations from the customer that your service department did not take care of their property. Something was damaged during the process. And one of the things we want to do with inside the VeCap CRM system is provide your dealership the ability to document and protect your business from any kind of liability. And once again, inside the VeCap CRM system, there's 3 modules that actually provide that type of capability for you. The vehicle status module, the customer agreements, and the parking lot module. So let's go ahead and go into each one of them individually here and give you just a quick overview on how you can use this to protect your business. The vehicle status module allows you to capture pictures or the status of that customer's vehicle at any step of the process. So it'd be like, for example, when you first drop off the vehicle, you want to take pictures of how you receive that vehicle. That is very important. If there's any issue when you're moving around on your dealership lot, if you need to capture images of their damages that was done, who actually did it, also before and after pictures of what was actually serviced. For example, let's say it's changing a bumper, or inside an RV, maybe you're doing some cabinetry work. You can have some great documentation before and after images of the service when it was completed. And definitely when you hand the vehicle back off to the customer, you want to document what the status of it was. Once they leave your dealership, they could drive down the road and have a fender bender and then turn around and blame it on your dealership. And if you don't have the proper documentation, your company is going to be liable for that. Customer agreements. When a customer shows up, you actually walk out to them or have them come into your, let's say, your service advisor's office, and you want to have a customer agreement that has detailed information, exactly what's going to be performed. Also being able to import images from that vehicle status when you were, once again, we were talking about capturing those images and inserting them into that agreement. So when the customer signs, everything's on the up and up, that you have the documentation that they agree to what's going on. And when they sign that agreement, it actually becomes a contract that you can prove this was what it was agreed on. This is what the vehicle status was when we received it. And also a customer agreement when they leave. Same thing. This was the work performed. Yes, it was performed. And also here's the status of the vehicle when you presented it back to them. Once again, these customer agreements are excellent documentation. If you ever have to go to court and you're being sued and you need documentation for that litigation, here it is. You already have it built into the system. And the last module, the parking lot module, this will document how that vehicle was moved, who the employee was that moved it, where it was moved to, what was the status, how long it stayed in that location. So you have a great way of tracking every inventory, every vehicle in your inventory on your dealership, and what state or what step of that process when it was being moved, when it might have been damaged, and who can be responsible for it. So that was just a quick overview on how to protect your dealership using the VeCap CRM software. Obviously, the CRM software is made for generating sales and increasing more revenue for your business and your service department, but it also has other features and capabilities that will protect yourself from damage, liability, accusations. Once again, my name is Steve Baker. I appreciate you watching this. We'd love to help you out with your dealership and look forward to meeting you. Have a great day.